Hey, hello there, everybody. You're aboard the beautiful Grand Princess here on this, what day is it? The 21st of May, 2022.
Yeah,
Sailed,
Saturday, May 21st.
check out this beautiful sunset over the mountains. We just sailed Ketchikan about an hour and a half or so ago on our way down to Juneau for tomorrow. Can't wait. Yeah, look at this.
I fell in love with Skagway. I really did.
Yeah, Skagway is probably one of my favorite cities, favorite ports we've done. So.
And I was just telling him, I feel like I've learned so much about life on this trip. You wouldn't expect me to be somebody that would fall in love with a polar destination, but I truly have. It's been a really eye-opening, exhilarating, exciting, peaceful experience. I highly recommend anybody who's even thinking about an Alaskan cruise, do it. Trust me.
Yeah, Alaskan cruise season is in full swing. There's a Carnival ship out that way, actually. He was docked with us in Skagway earlier.
The Carnival Spirit.
Yeah, Carnival Spirit.
I found out that Princess is actually a subsidiary of Carnival Cruise.
Oh yeah. Yeah, take a look at the shadow of the earth coming in over there. The golden tops of the mountains as the sun sets. Really cool. It's about 9:45 at night right now. So, yep. Late sunsets.
I can't take my eyes off.
Nothing more peaceful than seeing the wake of our own cruise ship with these beautiful mountains at sunset.